If you wake up at 3 a.m. almost every night and cannot fall back asleep, this video is for you. Many people think waking up at night is normal, but repeated interrupted sleep affects your hormones, mood, and overall health, nervous system, and prepare your body for deep, uninterrupted sleep naturally. Practicing slow, deep breaths before sleeping reduces stress and signals your body it's time to rest. Creating a calm and dark environment signals your brain that it's time to sleep, helping you stay asleep longer. Follow these steps and your nights will feel completely different. Turning on Do Not Disturb mode on your phone prevents distractions and helps your brain relax for a full night of sleep. Light stretching or yoga before bed relaxes your muscles and eases tension, preparing your body for a deeper sleep. Using calming scents like lavender or chamomile in a diffuser can help signal your brain to relax and improve your sleep quality naturally. Keeping a simple sleep journal helps you track patterns and identify habits that may be disrupting your rest. Following these simple nightly routines consistently can help you sleep through the night naturally and wake up refreshed every morning. Eating a handful of almonds or walnuts before bed provides healthy fats that support brain function and help regulate sleep naturally. Eating a banana before bed provides natural magnesium and potassium which relax your muscles and help you sleep deeper. A warm cup of milk with a pinch of cinnamon or turmeric can soothe your body and prepare it for restful sleep. Avoid late-night caffeine, heavy meals, and excessive screen time as they disrupt your natural sleep rhythm. Chamomile tea is a natural sleep aid that calms your nervous system and can help you fall asleep faster. Using a soft eye mask blocks light and tricks your brain into thinking it's nighttime, improving your sleep quality naturally. A light neck and shoulder massage before bed eases tension and helps your body relax for deeper sleep. Eating a small handful of pumpkin seeds at night provides magnesium, which supports better sleep naturally. Combine these tips with patience and consistency, and you'll notice a huge improvement in your sleep. Remember, healthy sleep is the foundation of a healthy life. Using a white noise machine or gentle ambient sounds can mask disturbances and create a consistent sleep environment. Blackout curtains help block external light, signaling your brain it's nighttime and supporting deeper sleep. Keeping your bedroom slightly cool, around 65 to 70 degrees, signals your body to relax and promotes better sleep quality. Guided meditation or sleep apps can help calm your mind and make it easier to fall asleep naturally. Gently massaging certain pressure points on your wrists can calm your nervous system and help signal your body to sleep. Adding a teaspoon of honey to chamomile tea before bed can further relax your body and improve sleep quality naturally. A short, consistent nightly stretch routine can significantly reduce tension and improve your sleep patterns over time. Keeping a small lavender pillow nearby can provide calming aromatherapy and subtly enhances your sleep experience. Maintaining a nightly checklist ensures you follow all the small steps that make a huge difference for deep, restful sleep. Good air circulation in your bedroom helps maintain a comfortable sleep environment and improves rest quality. Simple eye relaxation exercises before bed can reduce strain and help signal your brain that it's time to rest. Kiwi and cherries are natural sleep boosters, packed with melatonin and antioxidants to support deeper sleep. A light foot massage before bed can improve circulation and promote relaxation, preparing your body for a restful night. A small serving of oatmeal before bed provides slow-release carbohydrates that can naturally increase melatonin production for better sleep. Using warm amber lighting instead of bright white light in the evening helps signal your body that it's time to wind down. Yogurt with berries is a light, sleep-friendly snack providing protein and tryptophan, which can help your body relax at night. Using a small humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping prevent dry throat and nasal passages for more comfortable sleep. A warm compress on your forehead before bed can relax your mind and relieve tension, preparing you for deeper sleep. Tart cherry juice is a natural source of melatonin, which can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve sleep quality. Having a comfortable pillow that supports your neck properly can make a big difference in falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. A glass of warm water with lemon before bed can aid digestion and help your body relax naturally for sleep. Peppermint tea can soothe your stomach and calm your mind, making it easier to drift off to sleep naturally. Maintaining a slightly cool room temperature signals your body that it's nighttime, helping you sleep deeper and longer. A small handful of mixed seeds before bed provides magnesium and healthy fats that support better sleep and relaxation. Everything you saw in this video works best if you try it consistently. Apply these tips regularly and you'll see real results. I hope you find this video helpful and that these tips make your life a little easier. If sleep keeps running away from you every night, don't worry, you're not broken. Your sleep just needs training. Thank you so much for watching. For more trusted health tips, subscribe to our channel and stay healthy. See you in the next video.